Hey guys, Vipers D13 here. Today I have a Jimalax unboxing for you. Shipped out on my birthday, April 11th. So I thought that was pretty cool. But let me get into this real quick. I haven't even opened it. Some people open it first. So. Alright, so, let's check. Alright, so they sent me a free Jimalax sticker, Navy. So first I have some shooters. I ordered a bunch. Let's see, what do I got here? I ordered right now I have 3 regular black, 3 royal blue, 3 white with red, might kind of look orange, 3 neon green and black, 3 black with multicolor, 3 Michigan yellow, 3 Volt shooters, and these are 4 Navy, and 1 Navy with white striker, it looks like. Next I have the Supernova 10-yard sidewall segments. I got 2 of those. 2 neon yellow sidewall segments. And 1 royal blue sidewall segment, 10 yards. Next, I have 2 pieces of hard mesh, a piece of ruby mesh, 2 pieces of semi-hard, and a piece of the shamrock soft mesh. Tried to say it a little differently, but just gonna do a couple things with all these. Looks nice. Not too sure. These are hard. These are the semi-hard actually, but yeah, they're really nice. The semi-hard even looks and feels softer. Ruby mesh looks nice too. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. I'll probably have some review of the mesh up sometime today, but I'll let you guys know. Alright, thanks for watching.